Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're going to be fishing a creek. We're actually going to start this video off. We're going to try to catch some brown trout. These are all going to be wild in this creek. I don't think they've ever stocked it. I've actually only fished this creek one other time. Didn't catch anything. I was actually fishing it in the summer. But we're going to try some different lures. Hopefully we'll get on some today, guys, so stay tuned. Got a fish, guys. Holy crap. Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you what we're going to throw today. This here is my St. Croix rod. This is a 6-foot travel rod. I mentioned this rod in my last video. I needed a rod areas where I'm going to be hiking, where I don't have to carry the rod the whole time. So this I could just pull it out. This is a 4-piece rod, like I said, made by St. Croix. Then we have 4-pound fluorocarbon, and that is a Daiwa 1000 Fuego. Awesome reel. Talked about it a little bit in my last video. And I was always a big fan of cadence reels. They're good. These are great. I can't wait to fight a bigger fish. Like my last video I did, I was just catching native brookies, nothing bigger than 7-8 inches. So it didn't really give any type of fight. But I can't wait till I get my first 14, 15 wild brown on this. It should be a good fight, so. Then we have a 1-inch Nico worm. And I have this tied onto a 132-ounce tungsten jig head made by Eurotackle. We're gonna give this a shot first. All right, we got some rapids here and kind of a slack water against that wall. I'm gonna try to throw over there. Can't really tell how deep it is. It doesn't look that deep, so we'll try it. Let's move it quick. This right here is the hole I'm talking about, guys. See across there where we got the rock ledge over there? It's pretty deep there. It's probably about 5 feet. Like I said, the only fish I ever caught out of this creek, well, this part of the creek I should say, from a mile back and forth each way, is right here. No other bites. I just don't get it. I don't see a lot of, oh yeah, I was just gonna say I don't see a lot of garbage, but there's a truck. I don't know if a lot of people fish this. I don't think so. Got a fish, guys. Holy crap. Decent too. trout. Yeah, we got him, baby. Woo! First trout. That's a shock. I wasn't expecting a fish over here. But you never know, you keep grinding. Let's get him in the water a little bit. Check it out, guys. Got probably about a 14-inch here. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at the spots. That's definitely wild. Doesn't have many red spots, but that's a wild fish right there. So let him go. Here he goes. Alrighty guys, we're at another spot here. Different creek. Where I wanted to go, there was too many people around and not much parking. But we're gonna try down here first and head upstream. As you can see, there's a lot of good flow here. So let's get down here, tie on a gulp minnow and give it a shot. Try not to knock any of the rocks in the water here. Like I said, it's got some nice flow going through here. We should catch a fish here. Just got the one so far. Got a nice one though. There's a fish. First cast over here, guys. The trout. Yeah, we got him, guys. There he is, guys. Nice 11, 12-inch trout here. First cast over here. See you, dude. Alrighty guys, we're gonna actually make a little bit of coffee. Getting a little chilly. I shedded my jacket before just because I was almost sweating. I didn't want to be sweating, but now the temperature's starting to drop, so gonna warm up a little bit. And then we're gonna fish this section here. And then a kind of a little deep section here, and around this bend there's kind of a deeper section. So we might pick one off here. This tree down here is new. This must have just fell down not that long ago. But like I said, we're gonna make some coffee, and I'm gonna actually just got a drone. I'm gonna put it up and see what type of footage we can get. So stay tuned, guys. Cheers. All right, guys, let me finish this. Enjoy the drone footage. Be right back. I can normally cross right here. It's usually about 4 feet. Not today. Last spot of the day, guys. Hopefully we'll catch one more. We only caught 2. I only got probably half hour worth of daylight left. I've been fishing all day. Since about 10 this morning. And it's now almost 4, so 6 hours. But trying different bodies of water. I mean, I know I could fish the river and catch 5 or 6 in a couple hours, which is cool, but trying different things. Not always the same old, you know? Let's try here. It's got a B-vibe tied on right now. Got a whole bunch of different lures. Christ. Some shots like, where the hell is that coming from? That's close. Jesus. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Too close for comfort. Man. It's like right over this hill. I don't know what direction he's shooting, but yeah. Moving downstream. Jesus, man. Alright, gotta get out of that spot. I didn't want to get shot. I swear that bullets, every time I got near the creek, it was just somebody trying to scare me. Because I was waiting for like 10 minutes, didn't hear any. As soon as I went back to the creek, I heard a gunshot. And it was close. But anyways, let's get down here. It's one of my honey holes. Gonna try to catch one more fish for you guys. Got the B-vibe tied on still. I probably got about 10 more minutes before it starts. That one. Little guy here. See you, buddy. What do you think, guys? One more? Perfect cast. There's a fish. Woohoo! Jumper. Got him. There it is, guys. That's the fourth one. Second one here. That's a pretty fish. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. We ended up catching 4 trout today. We actually fished 3 creeks today. I was out for a good 6 hours or so. I did find some pretty cool spots, but with no fish. But I think in the spring, summertime, maybe we'll do a video this spring in those areas. Not sure how much I'm gonna put in this video just because there was a lot. I shot a lot of footage today, so. But like always, guys, if you do enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you and have a great day.